free so yakopie mu ewo atifi do apoye mantan mu eye bongo na ehonomo no henepon wo honomo toto de asre oman Ghana mpanifo se ebetumi aya nkemprepre yi wo mutumi emra wo mo eho na wo mutumi boa se ne be ya nyinam ahoden suku na afi nso ayaresabia atete pansam no wo betumi aboa aye bi e de ama wo mo
Openi kwanchirefo a wono eneda Ghana Goil ano onimnyamfo Edward Abambire Bawa aye ne nyameswade a eno enese wakwakoye Feo chip compound a ewo bongo mensene no emu doye a empa hodo ne niama hodo a ebeboa ma pomuden ho nsem metumi afa ne ntoma pefry wo bongo mensene ne mu ode akwakoma won dwumedie no ase no ena ohene a ono ewo bongo mensene ne mu ede adesrede ato mpanifo anim enkankane aban se wosre wada empuntu dwuma abo won se sebe jonso abo akoko eno nti wosre won se wombra won sra ben mu no wombra beye won adoye eba no nwomesua apomuden ho nsem akwan enkania ene nsuo won enibi na ne eda wakoma so pa eye bambo ho nsem a wohunu ne se eha adwen yie pa wakyeremu se Feo mpotemu ho ene oman Burkina Faso ene bohye na Ghana Immigration Service border bia eni ho no mo a ebo won ho ban ade free won ene Burkina Faso ho akwakoye se kwan yeda ho no won a wodi endruboni ho dwanko a ena wonam ho no mo edi ho no mo akoniaba ne saso nti ena ohene a wo ho no na ba Azari anyene ba ede adesrede eto mpanifo anim se wosre wada wombra na wombambo ho nsem no wombeye bribie mfa ho eno ene se won hye so no wonfa bambofo embegu ho no.
Feo have the largest border area in the whole Bongo district, and Feo shares boundary with Burkina Faso, and Feo is denied an official border post. The border post which is here is just meant for smuggling, and my appeal is that the government should look at it and come and open an official border post which will bring more income to the nation. All the cars passing through Feo, they pass illegally and being smuggled. So we are appealing to the government, the Minister of Interior, to come and have a look. He should survey. We create more electoral areas. We create more regions. Why can't we also create more official entry points so that people will pass free and be screened? Put necessary people there so that they will try and check those who are passing. But Feo is just what? Vulnerable. Anything can happen because the road is good and we are denied the border post. So my appeal to the government is that they should come and look. The only border post at Amoah is inadequate. So my appeal is that they should also create an official border post.